In this video I will show you how to work a double square knot. A double square knot is a square knot with a second square knot tied directly below the first square knot. I'll be using a braided cord such as DMC Nova Vita 4, also known as tubular yarn. To tie a double square knot we'll be working with 4 cords, A, B, C and D. Cords A and cord D are the working cords and cords B and C are the filler cords. To create a square knot, take cord A over the filler cords and cord D over cord A. Cord D then goes behind the filler cords and out the gap next to cord A. Pull the 2 working cords carefully to secure the knot. We're then going to reverse this by starting with cord D over to the left of the filler cords. Cord A goes over cord D, behind the filler cords and out the gap next to cord D. Pull the knot up to firmly secure. We are then going to repeat the same 2 knots again. Take cord A over the filler cords and cord D over cord A. Cord D then goes behind the filler cords and out the gap next to cord A. Pull the 2 working cords up to create a half square knot. Again we will reverse the half knot, take cord D over the left of the filler cords, cord A over cord D. Cord A then goes behind the filler cords and out the gap next to cord D. Pull the knot up to firmly secure. You have now created a double square knot. I will now show you how to tie an alternating double square knot. First off, create 3 sets of double square knots. We are then going to create an alternating double square knot between the first and second double square knot. Take cords C and D from the first double square knot and cords A and B from the second square knot. This group of 4 cords will now become A, B, C and D. Now tie a double square knot with this new set of cords. To create the next alternating double square knot, use the next 4 cords along as your new set of cords A, B, C and D and tie a double square knot. This pattern is then repeated by taking the very first cords that are originally cords A to D and make another set of double square knots. Then finally create 2 more sets of double square knots with the next 2 lots of 4 cords. Your pattern will detail how many times to repeat this. You have now created an alternating double square knot.